What is going on today, guys? We're back again with one more video, and we're going to be talking about removing this yellow guard off the front of the Hellcat today. I'm going to show you how to do this, and it actually says to be removed by dealer right here, but obviously the dealer didn't do that. So what we're going to do is back it out, and I'm going to take this thing off. I had on there for, I believe I have 500 miles on there now. So what we're going to do is take it off and get rid of it, because we are not going to be using that any longer. I don't know if you can see this, but what there are is these little clips, and I believe you use a screwdriver, the little pop clips. 1, 2. There's a one here, over here. So there's about 5 of these things on here. So let's go ahead and get a screwdriver. That is 2. And what actually happens is you get like water and stuff behind this, behind this little thing that sits back here, and it's almost like it molds on your front bumper. So we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna wipe this down. This is off. You can see all the dirt and stuff built up behind here. So what to be removed by the dealer is off. If anybody wants this, leave your information below in the comments. I will send this to you. Oh yeah, it looks way better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this up, and we should be good to go. Thanks so much for watching this video. If y'all have any questions, please leave them below in the comments, like this video, and please subscribe. Take care and have a good day.